I am Deepika, student of GJ Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to explain you the most fascinating topic of physics, that is electromagnetic induction and its related phenomena, mutual induction. So the first question is, what is electromagnetic induction? Basically, electromagnetic induction is a process in which we generate electric current in a conductor with the help of magnetism. In this process, we change the magnetic field around the conductor, which leads to change in flux that generates EMF in the conductor and that causes current. To explain it in a better way, I have a live display for this experiment. Here I have a magnet, a galvanometer. Basically, galvanometer is a device that is used to detect even very small amount of current. This galvanometer is connected with the coil. If we move this magnet towards this coil, we can see that the needle of the galvanometer gets deflected. But if we keep it still, there is no deflection in the needle. This suggests that when there is change in magnetic field around the conductor, the magnetic flux around the conductor gets changed. This flux induces current in the coil that leads to deflection in the needle of the galvanometer. Move to the next topic, that is mutual induction. Mutual induction is just as electromagnetic induction, but in this we generate current in the coil with the help of current carrying other coil. Here you can see that there are two coils. One of them is connected with the battery and it has also connected with a resistor. This resistor provides variable current to this coil. When we move this another coil with LED bulb towards it, it flows. This is because the variable current in the coil leads to changing flux around this coil, which leads to induction of current in the coil that close the bulb. But if we keep it still, there is no change in magnetic flux, so the bulb doesn't close. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.